Hi everyone, what's up? Thank you so much for being here. If you guys are new to my channel, hi, my name is Jessie and today is going to be another exciting video. If you guys love dupes, then definitely keep on watching. So this is another Makeup Revolution palette, as you guys have read in the title, and it is about the Rose Gold Chocolate Eyeshadow Palette. And oh my goodness, this is just $15 and you can also definitely use a coupon. Like, you know, if you are an Ulta Rewards beauty member program member, if you are a member of the Ulta Rewards program, then you can definitely have a $3.50 coupon on their website. I'm not an affiliate, but anywho, going back, this is what the box packaging looks like, and you have 12 months to play with this palette. I know I look crazy right now because I've already prepped my brows, my skin, and my under eye, but I was just about to like prep, and you know what? This is the perfect time to review this palette. So this is what it looks like, and at the backs, at the back, you'll see what you're gonna get. I'm so sorry. I feel like I'm all over the place. I need more caffeine. This is not working out. Have you ever felt like your coffee is not working anymore? And this product has 22 grams. Let's take it out of the box and see what this is all about. Look at that! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! You know what? I know Profusion did something like a packaging like this, but this is way even better because you guys could see that it is metallic and it's really nicely, the packaging is really nicely made. And you know what? It doesn't feel cheap. This is $15, but it has weight on it, you know? And then when you open it up, girl, it even has a large mirror. Oh my God, look at that. See? Are you guys seeing this? No? Yeah? And then there is a pamphlet right here. It's like a transparent plastic. Why did I say pamphlet? That has all of the name of the shades. And you guys won't believe, okay, seriously, who uses this? Some people, I know some people do. I think this is perfect for those like cream type of formulas when you pack it in. I'm pretty sure that I'll be using this somewhere elsewhere out there or whatever. But to me, this is disposable in my opinion, so I wish they could have came up with a better brush. But then again, $15, it's kind of hard to complain. These are all the shades that you are going to get. I mean, look at this one. It looks like the textured eyeshadow. Like, it's crazy. It's insane. It really looks like textured. All of these, like, oh my goodness. I have the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette right over here, and I'll be putting them side by side. Look how similar that is. It's insane. Except this palette doesn't have a black shade, but you can definitely tell what they are going after. Like, it's so obvious. So you guys could really see what they look like. Oh my gosh. So next time I will be doing a side by side, like high end versus low end, so you guys could see the difference. But today I will be focusing on the Makeup Revolution one, since this is like a first impression video. So funny because this one is so expensive. I think this is around like $65. You get a cardboard packaging. You don't get any mirror, but I do love the idea of like having a window here. It's easy for makeup artists to see what they are gonna get, what they are gonna use. I love it for traveling as well, but then again, it would be really nice if there's like a mirror. So this one has a mirror, it has weight, and the packaging is made of plastic. Now, I'm going to show you guys some swatches. Oh my gosh, I already damaged it. Oh my goodness. I already put a dent on it. So I'm going to start at the very top. So I'm thinking that this is like a highlight. The layout of this eyeshadow palette, obviously, they got it from Too Faced. Now, I know like a lot of people are saying that it's actually not nice that they are doing this. I feel like half and half. Like, it's kind of like I really don't disagree that they copy ideas of bigger companies, but I agree on the part because I can totally relate. Like, not a lot of people can buy expensive palettes. Like, you guys know what I mean? And by the way, these are so creamy. Like, I can't get over the fact that this is just $15. Like, how do you even like do this? hold on, let me just get my, to the next one. Let me touch this textured shadow for you guys. Like, it feels exactly the same. Oh my, how? Like, I'm really wondering how. Like, this is weird. Now we're gonna see how the mattes work, but I'm starting off from the metallics. I actually started from top left to right, just so you guys know, okay? But the true test, again, like, sometimes, okay, in my opinion, every time you're doing these swatches, it doesn't really show, like, the true performance of it. I would really say that you really have to use it, because I have a lot of eyeshadow palettes that they actually suck when it comes to swatches, but when you use it on your eyes, it's actually really good. Okay. So the matte shades are a little powdery, but they are silky smooth, so I don't know if it's just the way I rub it or what. Let's see. Here we go. So you guys could see the color. I'm a sucker for pink. Just so you guys know, my favorite color is pink, white, and gold. Before it was yellow when I was young. And then on to the last 4 shades. Slow hands. I'm addicted to that song. Oh, that's nice. Okay, so these are all your swatches. So you'll be getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 matte eyeshadows. Okay, you'll be getting 16 eyeshadows, and the rest is metallic, and there's like 1 textured shadow. So this is what it looks like. Ooh, let me give you a close-up, okay? I mean, I have a bruise here. Let me cover that. Girl, I always change the trash bins. Nobody wants to change the trash bins. No, girl, it has to be me. Like, it's so upsetting. Alright, so I've already put a primer off screen just to save your precious time. And I'm going to start with the shade called Independent. Now, this is a white, more of like a cream, not really necessarily like, what do you mean necessarily? It's not like white, it's cream. It's cream, it's matte, and all I can ever say about this shade as I'm putting it on right now is that it is so pigmented, and I feel like it glides on really nicely and smoothly. I love it. And then I'm gonna grab the shade called Uh-Oh and tap off the excess. And of course, you guys already know the drill. I'm gonna do like a never-ending halo eye over there as well. Hope you guys are doing well. And then after that, I'm gonna get the shade called Not Yours. That's what I tell my sister every time she uses my stuff. I tell her that's not yours, and then she's gonna tell my mom, she's gonna go to my mom and tell me that I'm selfish. Put that on top of Uh-Oh. Ooh, so far so good. They are very easy to blend, and you definitely have to build it up. When it comes to the matte shades, you definitely have to build it up, but I'm not in any way find it very difficult to use at all. This is the progress. Moving on to the next shade, which is Side Chick. Now this is more of like a deep burgundy color, and then I'm gonna use this tiny crease brush. This is actually my favorite every time I'm building up color, every time I'm doing a halo eye. This brush, I wish I have like 1 million brushes of this type of brush. This is the MAC 221, and you can, this one is like the best tool in my opinion when you're creating a halo eye look, and when you're using like 3 different shades, like the 3rd shade, you use this brush, and it's like, you can really see the difference with the layering. I'm gonna do the same thing on my other eye. See how fast that was? Wow. Wow, 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 wow. All right, now let's move on to the only textured shade right over here, which is Luxe. It looks like it's lifted, and it looks like everything is like falling apart whenever I touch it, so I'm gonna try to be careful with this one. I'm gonna put it directly on my lid, and there is a fallout. Did I just overdo it? Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my gosh. I feel like they are making, Makeup Revolution is making so much of like the duplicates that is really insane. So if you guys are wanting to buy this really nice palette, but it's expensive, I would, you know what, I would suggest for you guys to just wait, because these indie brands, there's like a lot of indie brands that are doing so much better and it's cheaper. But then again, there's nothing like the feeling of having the original thing, you know what I mean? But that, if it's in your eyes already and if you know how to work it out, I don't think anyone would be like, you know, thinking that it's a different thing. And actually they're gonna be like surprised that it's like a drugstore. So I'm gonna get Hard Work, put that on the center. Isn't that cute? Wow, wow. Yes. So this is the finished eye makeup look. I don't really use any false eyelashes recently because I'm resting my eyes. Overall, I really do love the eyeshadows, though I wasn't able to use everything because this is just a first impression. But I gotta say that they are very consistent. It's pretty much the same with their new palettes that just came out. So if you guys are looking for a really nice dupe for the Huda Beauty, this one will work for you. So that's pretty much it for today, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. And if you are still not part of the Sassy family, I just want to let you guys know that I upload Mondays to Fridays, usually in the morning, 6:30 a.m. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!